Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about word problems on inverse variation. So let's go ahead and read this problem one sentence at a time. The time it takes to cover the distance between two cities by car varies inversely with the speed of the car. So we're told it varies inversely, which means we're going to be using the equation y equals k over x. We're also told that the time is what is varying inversely with the speed. So let's let time be t and speed be s. So t is going to vary inversely with the speed. So we'll have t equals k over s. We're told a trip takes 3 hours, so that's time, for a car moving at 68 miles per hour, so that's speed. So the first thing we need to do is find k. T is 3 when S is 68. So what is the value of K? Well, we need to multiply by 68 on both sides, and we'll get 204 equals K. Now what is K in this problem? Remember, K is just the constant of variation. So our actual equation has to have k in it, because if it didn't have k in it, then it's just an inverse statement. So t equals 204 over s is our equation. Then the question asks, what is the speed of the car that makes the trip in 4 hours? So there's another time. So I use my equation to find the speed of the car. Time is 4, 204 divided by s. Let's go ahead and multiply by s. So we'll get 4s equals 204, and then divide by 4. So what is the speed when time is 4, when it takes 4 hours? 51. And our units with our speed are miles per hour. So that's our answer. Let's do another one. Boyle's law says that the volume of gas varies inversely with the pressure. Okay, so we have a varies inversely problem, which signifies we're going to use y equals k over x. And let's let volume VV and pressure BP. When the volume of a certain gas is 2 liters, the pressure is 1,015 kilopascals. But let's go back to that first sentence, because I want to put my volume and pressure into my inverse equation. So my volume varies inversely with K over P. But I don't know P, but the second sentence is going to help me. It says when the volume of a certain gas is 2 liters, so there's my volume, the pressure is 1,015 kilopascals. So volume is 2 equals K over 1,015. Multiply by 1,015 and we'll get K equals 2,030. So my equation that relates volume to pressure is V equals 2,030 over P. Then the question is, what is the pressure when the volume is 5 liters? So our volume is 5. 5 equals 2,030 over P. So now I need to multiply by P on both sides. And I get 5P equals 2,030. Now what is P? Well, 2,030 divided by 5 is excuse me, 406. And P is my pressure. My pressure is in kilopascals, which we represent as kPa. So that's inverse variation word problems.